Hey John, I thought I'd get this to you real quick. I don't have time to do a lot of anything, but just wanted to show this to you. So my three charts on the bottom: 34.5, 13.2, 8.2. You can see the colors when they are gapped, and they're just using. I'm using the regular normal settings. You know, the what is it, 520, 938, and then the one on top, the big one is the 5.1. I'm plotting the dashed line is the 5.1 55, and then the 13.2 55, or 165 as they used to call it. But needless to say, that's more accurate than the 165. And what else? And so let's just scroll back here. You could see, like for instance, right here, when the two are in downward motion, gapped, when the two, I'm only plotting the 34.5 just for show and tell. There's no code in there at all. It's just there. But the 8.2 and the 13.2 have to be in a gap, and then it will plot, and then this you could see on the 5.1, you know what we're looking for. And just out of giggles here, why don't I throw on let's throw on, well, the 55 is this one here. So we want like maybe, let's try 45, and we'll make that that would be our, more or less our trigger, our touch, our execution bar. So anyway, so scrolling back, you can kind of look at these. You can pause it anytime you want. Okay, then nothing, 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 nothing. There we go. So there's this. You can see we're starting to get into some moving averages here that are, I don't know if that's good or bad. Notice we're above our 13.2. Well, now we're going to long, so that's a nice trend. But going back here a little bit, we were above it, and we were trying to go short into it. So we could stop that easily enough, although this is beautiful. So for what it's worth, yeah, look at this. So come down there, boom, we'd be in right there on a long. So again, this one trade won't get a lot, but it's just one strategy set up. And while that's actually looking at the market and making the order, we could be working on a different setup, like maybe the second leg or the reversal. There's so many. This is just a trend trade. We can get the second chance. There's all kinds of other setups, but just if we could just get this one running in the background while we play on our other charts, that's what I'm kind of looking for. And if we could let this run on ES and gold and CL, then you know you would think it would take one or two trades every morning that we like. So we have to narrow these out. But I'm gonna go back just a couple days here, and then I'm gonna call it because I gotta get going. But you could pause it on your screen. You can kind of see what they're all doing. Here, there. Just pause it on the video to look at it. I could even go a little smaller if you want to see more of the 5.1. Now this is at midnight, so I'm not going to do anything here. So let me go one more day back, and then I'll call it. I'm going backwards in time. I probably should be going forward in time, but oh well. Yeah, I would think forward in time would be a little better. Sorry. See, again, we're going long into it, and then it finally breaks and we get it. But if we say that we have to be on the other side of it, then you're not going to get anything, you know, until here. You get this one. So again, different setups. You know, this is more of the first leg and reversal kind of thing. That one, again, same thing. We won't get it until here. We would be able to if we rule that out and get under this 13,255, then it wouldn't start until like right here, or until they crossed. If we had them on the same side and they had to be on the same orientation, then it would turn on right here when they crossed, and we get in right there. Get in right there. Okay, so now it's 3 o'clock in the morning. So I'm thinking I'm gonna just go. Next time I'll go forward. Sorry about that.